In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Slack account active. Maintaining an active status on Slack is particularly useful for staying engaged with your team, ensuring you remain in the loop, and making it easier for colleagues to reach out to you when necessary. So, without further ado, let's dive into the steps you need to follow to set your account as active. First, you want to open up your Slack application either on your desktop or through the web browser by logging in. Once you've logged in, navigate to the specific Slack channel where you spend most of your time. For today's demonstration, let's head over to a channel called All Soys Team within Soys Team Workspace. Channels serve as specific meeting points for conversations on different topics, so being in the right channel helps you access the context you need quickly. Now, once you've made your way into your preferred channel, it's time to focus on your profile settings. Your profile is located in the top right corner of Slack's interface. Click on your profile picture or icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu houses a variety of options that let you customize your Slack experience. You'll find settings such as setting your status, adjusting your availability, and more general account preferences. Next, take a look at the drop-down menu and find the option that reads, Set yourself as active. This is the key step that keeps your Slack account status showing as online. By clicking this, you signal to your team that you are available and ready to interact. This action makes it clear to your colleagues that they can expect a prompt response from you, keeping the dialogue flowing smoothly. It's important to note that while you set yourself as active, it's just as crucial to manage breaks and time off to maintain efficiency and prevent burnout. If you finish working for the day or you need a break, remember to adjust your status accordingly to accurately reflect your availability. Setting boundaries in your work-life balance is essential while you work remotely or in a flexible environment. Now you know how to set yourself as active on Slack. By following these easy steps, you'll keep your presence visible, supporting better collaboration and communication with your team. Staying active ensures you don't miss out on vital updates and that your contributions are timely and on point. Remember to check in regularly and adjust your status as your availability changes to maintain a smooth workflow for you and your colleagues. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to keep your Slack account active. Remember to hit that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tips and tutorials just like this one. See you in the next